Good morning students, welcome to our class. Last time we have seen some example to find the rate of change of any quantities by using the derivative. Now we'll start this exercise 6.1 based on that to find the rate of change of any quantities, right? Okay, so first sum in exercise 6.1 is find the rate of change of area of the circle with respect to its radius r. आपको फाइंड करना है rate of change of area. So first of all you have to write the formula of area of the circle. So area of circle A is pi r square. Now rate of change of area of the circle with respect to radius. So we can say that rate of change of area with respect to radius is dA by dr. With respect to time है तो dA by dt. With respect to radius है तो dA by dr is equal to here 2 pi r. Now two question is there when r is equal to 3 centimeter and when r is equal to 4 centimeter you have to find. So what you will do here, first is dA by dr when r is equal to 3. So it is 2 pi into 3, that is 6 pi. Area है तो centimeter square upon radius है तो centimeter. You have to write the radius or unit by this formula. Then dA by dr when r is equal to 4, 2 pi into 4, that is 8 pi centimeter square per centimeter. ऊपर area, नीचे radius. Keep in mind you have to write every time unit is compulsory. Okay. Then question number 2 is here. Question number 2. The volume of the cube. Volume of the cube is increasing at the rate of at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. How fast is the surface area? How fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is is 12 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, ऐसा एक सम हमने एग्जाम्पल में ऑलरेडी किया है. व्हाट इज गिवन फर्स्ट एंड व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट यू विल राइट फर्स्ट. आप पहले क्या लिखेंगे? व्हाट इज गिवन. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब, राइट. सो वी विल राइट वॉल्यूम ऑफ द क्यूब. Volume of the cube V is equal to x cube, where x is length of the side. So volume of the cube is x cube, increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. तो आपको वो यूनिट पे से पता चल जाएगा वो क्या दिया है. ऊपर सेंटीमीटर क्यूब, that is dV, by second, that is dt. So rate of change of volume, that is dV by dt is given. So we will write dV by dt is 8 centimeter cube per second is given. How fast is surface area increasing? Now we'll write area, that is surface area of the cube. The formula I have given to you already. That's why you know, understand that कि why हमने पहले formula लिखी है सब, right? So that is equal to 6x square. So now rate of change of volume, how fast is increasing when the length of the edge is 12 centimeter. So we'll write x is equal to 12 centimeter है. तब you want to find this rate of change of this surface area. So dA, this is surface area of the cube, is A is equal to 6x. सो वी वांट टू फाइंड dA by dt इज आपको फाइंड करना है। बट जब dA by dt आप फाइंड करेंगे तो उसमें डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t आएगा, तो dx by dt की वैल्यू आपको चाहिए, उसके लिए ये दिया है, राइट। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहां से स्टार्ट करो, v इज इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब एंड you will find dv by dt, that is 3x square into dx by dt. Now you know how to find derivative of volume with respect to time is derivative of x, 3x square with respect to time है, so you have to write dx by dt also. Now dv by dt की वैल्यू है 8 3x square dx by dt. So now you find the value of dx by dt is, यहां से यहां आएगा, it is 8 by 3x square dx by dt. What is x? X is the length of the side, centimeter per second, dx by dt. Now we want to find dA by dt, that is d by dt of a क्या है हमारा 6x square है. So when you find the derivative with respect to time, तो x square की डेरिवेटिव होगी 2x, that is equal to 12x. बट ये x है और ये विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t कर रहे हैं, तो हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा, dx by dt. Therefore 12x dx by dt की वैल्यू है 8 by 3x square, that is 3 4s are 12, एक x कट, 8 4s are 32 by x is dA by dt. But we want to find dA by dt when x is equal to 12. So we have to write dA by dt at x equal to 12 is equal to 32 by 12, 16, 6, 8 by 3. 8 by 3 is 2 point. So our answer is, okay, 8 by 3 ही है पीछे आंसर. So 8 by 3, A is the area. Area is centimeter square. T second. dA by dt centimeter square per second. You understand? पहले जो वैल्यू दी है उसमें से dx by dt फाइंड करेंगे, then whatever you want to find उसमें dx by dt रखेंगे, right? Understand that? Okay. So we move on to question number 3. Now question number 3 is radius of a circle is increasing. Radius of circle is, ये साइन है इंक्रीजिंग की, सो हम इंक्रीजिंग की जगह पे ये साइन करेंगे अब. Uniformly at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Okay. Find the rate at which the area of the circle is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. When the radius is 10 centimeter. Now whatever is given and what you want to find, first you decide. Okay, so question number 3 is radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. तो ये क्या दिया है, increasing rate of the radius, और ये सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड है, सो dr, रेडियस क्या होगी r, dr by dt is given, right? So that dr by dt is 3 centimeter per second is given. Find the rate at which एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, अभी फाइंड क्या करना है, एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, तो उसकी फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे हम, दैट इज एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल ए इज इक्वल टू पाई आर स्क्वायर. rate of change of the circle when the radius is 10 centimeter. So radius is given 10 centimeter. Abhi rate of change of area, that is increase or decrease of area with respect to time, that is the rate. So here is we want to find dA by dt is the rate of change of area, right? You can also write here rate of change of area is dA by dt is equal to d by dt of pi r square. Pi constant, derivative of r square is 2r, but derivative of r square with respect to t है, तो हम क्या लिखेंगे dr by dt. So 2 pi. Now we want to write dA by dt when the radius is 10, that is r is equal to 10. dA by dt कब फाइंड करना है, जब रेडियस 10 है. So we will write 2 into pi into r is 10 and dr by dt की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी गिवन है, that is what 3 centimeter. 3 to the 6, that is 60 pi. But what is it? Area, that is centimeter square upon time, that is second. Easy? Yes? Okay, so do it, then we'll go to the question number 4. Now, question number 4 is, an edge of the variable cube is increasing. An edge of variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume? How fast is the volume of the cube increasing? The cube increasing when edge is 10 centimeter long. Okay. Now here an edge of the variable cube is increasing. तो ये क्या दिया है? Edge of the cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. अगर हम edge of the cube को x लेते हैं, then here we'll take edge of cube x सेंटीमीटर है, तो उसका rate of increasing दिया है, that is dx with respect to at the rate is with respect to time. So dx by dt is 3 centimeter per second. यहाँ से भी पता चल जाएगा, that is age per time, that is dx by dt is given. How fast is the volume of the cube? So here volume of the cube is equal to V, that is x cube. The formula of volume of the cube is x cube. Increasing when edge is 10 centimeter, so x is equal to 10 centimeter है, तब increasing rate find करना है. Now increasing rate का मतलब क्या हो गया? dV by dt. जब भी rate है तो with respect to time ही लेना है, that you keep in mind. So dV by dt is here d by dt of x cube. Therefore is equal to d by dt of x cube. तो x cube की डेरिवेटिव है 3x square, but x की डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t, ये तो हमने पावर की डेरिवेटिव की. अभी बेस की डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t करना है तो dx by dt करना पड़ेगा, which value is already given. We want to find the rate of change of volume when the edge is 10 centimeter. So we will write dV by dt when x equal to 10 centimeter. That is equal to 3 10 square, or dx by dt is given 3. 3 3 are 900. What is it? 900 क्या है? वॉल्यूम का रेट सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकंड. Whenever it is volume, you will take the unit centimeter cube, or area, you will take the unit centimeter square. Understand that? Okay, do it. Then we'll go ahead to the question number 5. Okay, a stone is dropped into the quiet lake. A stone is dropped in quiet lake and waves moves in a circle. And waves moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter. At speed of 5 centimeter per second at the instant when the radius at the instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter. How fast is the enclosed area increasing? How fast is enclosed area increasing? Okay, so enclosed area will write here increasing. Okay, so ऐसा एक सम हमने एग्जाम्पल में ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर दिया है. So it is easy for you to understand and how to do it. मैं यहाँ पे stone is dropped in a lake, this quiet lake. और जब आप stone डालेंगे then waves produce and that waves are circular, that you know. Okay, waves moves in a circle at the speed of 5 centimeter per second. Now you tell me, what is this 5 centimeter per second? It is not the area of the waves. It is only centimeter. So it is increasing rate of the radius of the wave. That you keep in mind. It is only centimeter है तो वो सर्कल जो आगे बढ़ रहा है उसकी रेडियस इंक्रीज हो रही है. So we can say dr by dt 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of circular wave is 8 centimeter, जब r 8 centimeter है, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? तो area enclosed area wave का और wave है circular. तो we can say that area of circular wave A is equal to pi r square. और how fast is increasing? Increasing मतलब dA by dt आपको फाइंड करना है. जब जैसे जैसे एरिया इंक्रीज होगा, जैसे जैसे टाइम के साथ वो चेंज होता है, सो dA by dt is equal to d by dt of A. A is what? Pi r square. So if you find the radius की डेरिवेटिव with respect to time, तो पहले पावर की डेरिवेटिव होगी. It is 2r, so that is 2 pi r. फिर बेस की डेरिवेटिव, r की डेरिवेटिव with respect to t is dr by dt. You understand that? Okay. Now we'll find dr by dt is given 5 and radius 8. So we have to find dA by dt when r is equal to 8. So 2 pi into r is 8 and dr by dt is 5. So 80 pi area है तो centimeter square per second. That is our answer, 80 pi centimeter square per second. So when the radius is 8 centimeter, the enclosed area of the wave is 80 pi centimeter. Understand that? Yes. That is our question number 5. Then question number 6. We move on to question number 6. Question number 6 is the radius of the circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 meter per second. Centimeter per second. Okay. What is the rate of increasing? What is the rate of increasing of its circumference? Okay. Now, circumference is the perimeter of the circle, that you know. Now, here it is, radius of the circle is increasing at the rate. What is given this? Now, you tell me, centimeter per second है और ये है increasing rate of radius. तो क्या दिया है? Tell me. Yes, it is what? dr by dt. It is given dr by dt is 0.7 centimeter per second. Right? Now, what is the rate of increase of its circumference? So, circumference of circle. Circumference of circle. That is its perimeter. So, we can say P is equal to 2 pi r. We want to find the rate of increase, that is dp by dt. जब भी rate बढ़ जाता है आपको derivative with respect to time ही करनी है. That you keep in mind. Is equal to d by dt of 2 pi r. 2 pi derivative of r with respect to t is dr by dt. 2 pi dr by dt is 0.7. Now 1.4 pi p सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. यहाँ पे आपको रेडियस r या कुछ भी और नहीं दिया है. दैट इज द आंसर इज 1.4 पाई सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. दैट इज पेरीमीटर पर टाइम. सेंटीमीटर पर सेकंड. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. नाउ वी मूव ऑन टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Here is length x of rectangle. Length x of rectangle is decreasing. This is the symbol of decreasing. ऊपर एरो है तो increasing, नीचे एरो है तो decreasing. That you keep in mind. So, decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute. And the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, find the rate of change of number 1 the perimeter and number 2 the area of rectangle. You understand this? Here length x of the rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter and width y, length is x and width is y of any rectangle is given. Then rate length of x is decreasing. Decreasing है तो हम क्या लेंगे? dx by dt is negative. So we can say that dx by dt is minus 5 centimeter per minute. And width is increasing. So dy by dt is 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, the length and width is given. Find the rate of change of perimeter. So first we will write perimeter of rectangle P is equal to 2x plus y. ये सब हमने एक एग्जाम्पल में ऑलरेडी किया है. दैट यू कीप इन माइंड. तो आपको ये आना चाहिए. नाउ rate of change with respect to time is the perimeter का rate of change is dp by dt. 2. Derivative of x with respect to time dx by dt. Same way dy by dt. dp by dt 2. What is the value dx by dt? Minus 5. dy by dt 4 minus 2 centimeter per minute, because it is perimeter, so we'll take centimeter. Now area of the rectangle. So area of the rectangle is what? Here the second is area of rectangle. A is equal to length into breadth, that is x into y. So rate of change of area is dA by dt. So when you find the derivative with respect to x, you have to use the product rule here. That is x constant, derivative of y is dy by dt. Y constant, derivative of x is dx by dt. All the values are given here. So write it. That is x 8 dy by dt 4. Y 6 dx by dt minus 5. 32 minus 32. Area per second. Understand that? It is very easy. That is the question number 7. So we can say that the perimeter is decreasing by 2 centimeter per second and the area is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per second. You understand that? Perimeter का आंसर नेगेटिव आया था. So it is decreasing and ये increasing है. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is a balloon which always remains spherical. Always remain spherical on inflation. Is being inflated by pumping. Is being inflated by pumping in 900 centimeter cube of gas per second. Find the area at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay. Now in this question, a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping in 900 centimeter cube of gas per second. Find the area at which the radius of balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Now radius is 15 centimeter means r is equal to 15 centimeter is given, we know that. Now what is this? Balloon is a spherical shape. So you have to think about the sphere, that you keep in mind. आपको sphere के बारे में सोचना है. Another thing is that inflated by pumping in, what is this? Centimeter cube per second. ये किसका यूनिट हो सकता है? Centimeter cube is the volume per second. So dV by dt is given. कि जब इसमें 900 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब एयर भरी है, इसका मतलब उसका वॉल्यूम है 900 और पर सेकंड मतलब dV by dt. So we can say dV by dt is 900 centimeter cube per second is given. Find the area at which the radius of the balloon increases. आपको फाइंड करना है radius of the balloon is increases. So what you will find is dr by dt. Okay. When the radius is 15 centimeter. सो रेडियस इंक्रीजेस, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, dr/dt आपको फाइंड करना है। उसके लिए फॉर्मूला किसकी लेंगे, वॉल्यूम की। सो दैट वॉल्यूम ऑफ स्फीयरिकल balloon is V is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Volume of the balloon is 4/3 pi r cube. Now dV by dt is equal to 4/3 pi is constant. Derivative of r cube is 3r square dr by dt. You understand that? Yes. dr by dt we want to find, dv by dt is given. So here 3 cut. So dr by dt is equal to dv by dt into 1/4 pi r square. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes, 1/4 pi r square. And therefore dr by dt is equal to, what is dv by dt? It is 900 into 1/4 pi into, what is r? 15. So 15s are 225. So if you cancel it and simplify करेंगे, then it is 4 225 4s are 900 and 4 cancel. So 1/pi is dr. R is centimeter per second. That means what? The radius is increasing at the rate of it is question number 8 now. Find the rate at which, find the area at which, nahi, rate at which. So therefore radius, answer is what? Radius is increasing at the rate of 1/pi centimeter per second. Radius increase हो रही है. Understand it? Yes. Then we go to the question number 9. Question number 9 is a balloon which is always remains spherical, has a variable radius. वेरिएबल रेडियस मतलब उसकी रेडियस चेंज हो रही है. फाइंड द रेट एट विच इट्स वॉल्यूम is increasing with the radius when the letter is 10 centimeter. When letter is 10 centimeter. Here it is given that when the letter मतलब उसको inflated करने के बाद the radius is 10 centimeter, not after, not before. So balloon which is always remain in spherical shape, एक spherical shape का balloon है, available और variable radius, variable मतलब उसकी radius change होती रहती है. The rate at which the volume is increasing at the radius, when the radius is later the 10 centimeter, later मतलब last one, after. Okay, so that first of all r is the radius of the balloon is 10 centimeter. Radius of the balloon is 10 centimeter. Now volume of balloon V is equal to, it is spherical, so we know that. आगे हमने लिखा था 4/3 pi r cube. Okay. Yes. Now we want to find the rate at which volume is increased. So rate of change of volume is dV by dt is equal to 4/3 pi 3r square into dr by dt. Right? R cube की डेरिवेटिव हो जाएगी 3r square and r की derivative with respect to t is dr by dt. So that 3 cut 4 pi r square dr by dt. Now what? Here it is given r is given that 10 centimeter. You know that r is the 10 centimeter, but it is given its volume increases with the radius, not it is given with the time. With radius का मतलब क्या हुआ? You have to find dv by dr with radius. तो dv by dr आएगा तो ये नहीं आएगा. So the answer is what? 3r square only, क्योंकि रेडियस की डेरिवेटिव विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू r ही करनी है. With the radius ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, not that only rate at which. Rate of change of volume लिखा है तो dv by dt, but rate of volume with the radius. With the radius मतलब with respect to the radius. So that is it is dv by dr, and therefore 4 pi r square. And when the radius is 10 centimeter, so 4 pi into 10 square. So 400 pi, we have volume centimeter cube per second is our answer. That is 400 pi centimeter cube per second is the increasing rate of volume with respect to the radius. Okay? Yes, this is question number 9. So you write the answer that volume increase at the rate of 400 pi centimeter cube per second with respect to radius, not the time. You keep in mind. That is our question number 8. Question number 9 is there. Okay. Now question number 10. Is a ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. A ladder 5 meter long is leaning against the wall. The bottom of the ladder, is pulled along the ground. Away from the wall. From the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter. At the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is its height? How fast is its height on the wall is decreasing when foot of ladder is 4 meter away from the wall. Okay. Now this is question number 10. So here is given that here is the ground and this is the wall, and we have put a ladder here. हमने एक ladder रखी हुई है. This is our ladder, right? Okay. Now this is ground and here is the wall. Now what is given is कि जब भी here OA, here O will write A and B. What is OA? OA is the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall. And distance between the foot and the ladder if we take x meter. यहाँ पे हम क्या ले रहे हैं? X meter. Then OB, that is the height of the top from the ground of the ladder, is y meter. If here is x meter and I will take this y meter, then AB is what? Length of the ladder, and ladder is 5 centimeter long. So we can say that AB is equal to 5 meter. It is given in the question. So AB is equal to 5 meter and another thing is given x pulled along the ground away. Okay, here when the foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, foot of the ladder is 4 meter away from the wall, that is x. तो x is equal to 4 meter is given. अब हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जैसे जैसे इसे नीचे देखो, इधर ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall, ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. इसे हम ऐसे नीचे ले जा रहे हैं तो ये हाइट भी धीरे धीरे नीचे आएगी. लाइक दिस इज द लेडर. जैसे जैसे ये लेडर के बेस को मैं ऐसे पुल करूंगी तो हाइट कैसे आ रही है, नीचे. तो वो ऐसे पुल करने पर, ये पुल करने का जो रेट है वो क्या है, 2 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. हम किसको पुल कर रहे हैं, एक्स को. Therefore, what is given, dx by dt at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Base is pulled at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. Whether it is centimeter or meter, I have to check. Yes, it is centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter per second it is given, right? And now you have to find that how fast is the height of the wall is decreasing. तो height of the wall decrease कितनी हो रही है वो आपको फाइंड करना है. x की वैल्यू है, ab की है पर y की नहीं है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ y. सो बाय द पाइथागोरस x square plus y square is equal to ab square. Yes or no? Pythagoras theorem. Now x square is 4. So 4 square plus y square, and this is 5, so 25. So y square is 25 minus 16, 9. So y is equal to 3 meter. Y is the length and therefore we'll take it positive so that it is. Now our function is here, it is given. Right? It is given and AB is, we'll take 5. So x square plus y square is equal to 5 square. That is 25. That is our function. We want to find dy by dt. So इससे हमें मिलेगा derivative with respect to x. If we find this function में derivative with respect to x तो क्या मिलेगा, x square की derivative है 2x, but with respect to x है, so I will write dx by dt. y square 2y dy by dt और 25 की derivative क्या हो जाएगी, it is 0. So now you can find, you want to find the value of dy by dt. जैसे जैसे ये नीचे खिसकता है वैसे वैसे हाइट डिक्रीज होगी, तो आपको हाइट की रेट ऑफ चेंज फाइंड करनी है. तो dy by dt आपको फाइंड करना है, इज इक्वल टू, ये कहाँ चला जाएगा, इस तरफ, 2 कैंसल, माइनस एक्स अपॉन वाई, हियर dx by dt, राइट, दैट इज dx by dt. अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, बोलो समझ में आ रहा है ऐसे है. Okay, now x is what, 4, y we have found 3, dx by dt 2. Then what is the answer? The rate of change of that height is minus 8 by 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. देखो कि जब हम लेडर को ऐसे पुल करेंगे तो हाइट नीचे आएगी. मैंने आपको दिखाया लाइक दिस कि मैं बेस जो ऐसे पुल करती हूँ तो हाइट नीचे आ रही है. That means height decrease हो रही है. So we get the answer negative. Understand that answer negative आ रहा है. So that means we can write the answer is here foot of the ladder. What is it? How fast is its height on the wall decreases. The height of the wall, I just dictate, height of the wall is decreases at the rate of 8 by 3 सेंटीमीटर पर सेकेंड. जब हम डिक्रीजेस लिखते हैं तब नेगेटिव की साइन नहीं करनी है. दैट यू कीप इन माइंड. तो यहाँ पे आपको कोई भी फॉर्म्यूला दैट वॉल्यूम एरिया नहीं दिया है. सो कीप इन माइंड इट इज परपेंडिकुलर वॉल एंड ग्राउंड. सो यू हैव टू यूज दिस एज द फॉर्म्यूला एंड फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव. अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सम. जब ऐसा बोलूंगी इट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, कीप इन माइंड, तो आपको वहां पे टेक्स्ट बुक में एक मार्क कर लेना है. दैट इज समथिंग इज देयर टू कीप इन माइंड, समथिंग इज देयर टू रिमेम्बर. आपको इसके अंदर कोई चीज है जो आपको याद रखनी पड़ेगी, ऐसा ये सम है। इसीलिए ये आप क्या कर लेंगे, टिक कर लेंगे, मार्क कर लेंगे। समझ में आ रहा है? ओके, सो देन दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. So in the next lecture we'll go ahead with the more sums, that is from the question number 11. Till then you have to do the sums very thoroughly. Keep in mind this chapter is very important. जब सारे topics हो जाएंगे, बहुत एक के अंदर एक कॉलम्स होने लगेगा. So many topics are there, but ये चैप्टर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. मेक अ प्रैक्टिस ऑफ इट. जितने भी सम मैंने करवाए हैं टेक्स्ट बुक में, एक बार कर देने के बाद आपको क्या करना है, टेक्स्ट नोटबुक को क्लोज कर दीजिए, टेक टेक्स्ट बुक और एक्सरसाइज 6.1 अपने आप करने की ट्राई कीजिए. यू शुड एबल टू डू ऑल द सम्स ऑफ योर ओन. सो अगर नहीं है देन यू कैन रिफर अवर नोटबुक, बट वो आपको आ जाना चाहिए. अंडरस्टैंड इट? यस. So we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.